Hello people, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make croissants, which is a French pastries. So let's start it. Two tablespoons of sugar, 1 spoon of yeast. Mix well and leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of oil, a pinch of salt. Now knead it softly. When you knead it, make sure you punch them well, only then you will get the softness. After kneading it, add 1 tablespoon of oil and cover it with a cloth for 1 hour. After an hour, you can see the difference now. Roll them like this. Cut them in equal halves. You will get 8 to 10 croissants. Make them into balls. Then pour some flour to your workstation and start rolling it to round. But you don't need to be so perfect in rolling, so just make sure it is thin. Take some unsalted butter and start applying it with a brush. Repeat this process on each side of your every tortillas. After this, add some flour and again roll it softly. You can see the thickness of this. Cut them in your desired shape and size, and I'm using a spoon to make a sign for the filling purpose. Now you can see the 10 layers of this. Cut them to 1 inch and add your fillings. I'm going with Nutella and cheese. You can even add jams or any other fillings. Now take both the sides and stick each other like this. Then roll them and stick the rest one to this end. Take a tray with foil paper and apply butter on it. Place the croissants and leave for 15 minutes. And for those who wants to try on pressure cooker, add salt as the base and leave it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Apply some milk on croissants and place a stand. And put the croissants inside the cooker without a whistle for 30 minutes. So this is the final output of my croissants, guys. So the croissants in the cooker also came out well. You can store them, then have with some warm milk and enjoy eating your croissants.